Hi, we're Darius and Ocular Grant
of DIY Power Couple.
In this video, we're going to show you how we installed our BAKFlip Tonneau truck cover
for our Ford F-150.
Home improvement.
With love.
We ordered the BAKFlip G2 Tonneau cover on Amazon. This cover fits Ford F-150s from 2015 to 2020. And you can see the exact product description we used at the end of this video. If you are debating whether or not you can install a tonneau cover yourself, the answer is yes, you can install it yourself. It's always a good idea to inspect your parts. Look, this is broken. Whatever this is connects the top thing. I know what that is. We contacted the company and they sent us replacement parts at no cost to us. They were very professional. We made this DIY video to help encourage beginners and new truck owners and share some of the benefits of why we decided to purchase this product. This is our first truck and the first time we are installing a tonneau cover. Let's get started. The very first thing we did was place the left rail on the truck bed with the silver bracket facing inward. Here's a tip we learned. We had to make sure the top of the rail was firmly placed against the inside top of the truck bed so the tailgate could shut. We took 3 clamps and spaced them out evenly across the bed of the truck, but at least 6 inches away from the back part of the tailgate. Once we hand tightened the clamp to the rail, we made sure the tailgate would close. We used our socket to secure them in place. We took the right rail and placed it on the inside bed of the truck, making sure that it was against the top of the truck bed so the tailgate would close. Similar to the left side, once we hand tightened the clamp to the rail, we made sure the tailgate would close. We used our socket again to secure them in place. This time, my son wanted to help tighten the final clamp. Son not included with tonneau truck cover. We thought that picking up the tonneau cover would be a 2-person job. We were surprised at how easy it was to place on the rails. We lifted the flat part of the cover, then inserted a threaded post on the bottom side, then turned it over and inserted a screw in the front end of the buckle. You should have 2 screws and 2 threaded posts. We made sure not to tighten the buckles too hard. If you remember in the beginning, this was the replacement part we received back from the company. We used our Phillips screwdriver and did the same thing on the other side. The 5-star knobs, large flat bolts, and washers came as a set of 2. We pressed the rubber washer against the large flat bolt and placed it inside the cover hole. On the left side, we also pressed the rubber washer against the large flat bolt and placed it inside the cover hole. So the rubber goes against this part right here, and then this goes there, and that goes there. And so alright. So on this side, we gotta make sure that things go like that. And we put it on like this, and we get the screw, we stick the screw on, and we twist it all the way on right here. We took the plastic front drain hose and placed it on the metal end of the drain spout located on the underside of the tonneau cover. Then we routed the hose behind the drop-in bed liner. On the right side, we also took the plastic front drain hose and placed it on the metal end of the drain spout located on the underside of the tonneau cover and routed the hose behind the drop-in bed liner. This helps to keep water off items in your truck bed. We peeled the red plastic that was attached to the adhesive on the bottom of the 3 D-shaped cab bumpers. Our daughter said that she really enjoyed this part of the installation process. While the cover was in its folded position, we placed the rubber bumpers on top of the cover in equal sections according to where the cover would rest against the back window of our truck. We pulled the prop rod from the bracket and placed it into the cover lock and tightened it with the star knob. On the left side, we also pulled the prop rod from the bracket and placed it into the cover lock and secured it with the star knob.
That tightens it up on there.
Yep, this ain't going nowhere. Okay.
Okay.
Then we loosened the star knob and lifted the cover lock to remove the prop rod.
You ready?
Yeah. You good?
I did it.
This was a fairly simple installation and we are very happy with our new BAKFlip G2 tonneau cover.
And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and subscribe to our channel. And remember, you can DIY too.
DIY Power Couple YouTube channel is your source to help you unleash your inner DIY power. Take a look at the link in the description to see how you can get your tonneau cover, and check out these DIY videos for more home improvement inspiration.